you are bored guys, then you can watch this kind of video because this kind of video is so much satisfying. This person is building a mini house for himself, but it can be used for decoration purpose also. He is using all the cement, sand, stones and everything which is really used in building a real house. And you know what, he is giving it so much final look. It's so much awesome that anybody one can feel that for a while that baking home is super easy. And you can also make this kind of home and keep it for like birds in your like terrace, so that the birds can live here, suitable for birds and toys.